another property video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. This time we're showcasing Unit 3 at 18 Beach Street, Kingscliff. Stepping inside the property, walking to a lounge area. There's two built-in display cases between lounge and dining room. Kitchen has been modernised. It features a ceramic cooktop, stainless steel double sink and underbench dishwasher. There's also an oven with separate grill, so important these days, double door pantry, and on the other side of the kitchen there's a laundry with a doorway access to the rear courtyard and also guest toilet downstairs. Rear courtyard for entertaining, and as we go upstairs, main bedroom sees a built-in across one wall, ceiling fan of course, and a balcony. It's got access to a two-way bathroom with bath, a separate shower, separate vanity and toilet. Going across the hallway there's two other guest bedrooms, both of them with ceiling fans. Second bedroom has a built-in, as well as a third bedroom at the end of the hall. Also downstairs we've got internal access to the single garage, which also has remote control access. Our last video here is using our office drone. We've given you a bird's eye view of the location of the property here, how close it is to the beach, and the town centre is only a mere 1.2 kilometres away. If you're looking to rent a property, then look at salesandrentals.com.au, where there's videos for every property we put online. For more details on viewing this property, please contact Kingscliff Sales and Rentals by phone, email them for viewing times at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or visit our website for more photos at salesandrentals.com.au.